You know guys, every time I upload a long video, I always wonder which moments are actually worth turning into shorts. And that's exactly what got me testing OpusClip, because this tool claims it can find the best parts of your video automatically and turn them into ready-to-post clips. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we're going to break down what OpusClip actually is, how it works behind the scenes, and whether its AI features really live up to the hype. I'll walk you through the dashboard, upload a real video, test its models, and show you everything this tool can do step by step. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Alright my friends, so let's talk about OpusClip. It's an AI clipping tool built to transform long-form videos into short shareable clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The way it works is simple. You upload a video and OpusClip's AI analyzes the content to identify moments it thinks will perform well. It looks for emotional peaks, strong hooks, and retention patterns based on millions of short-form videos. One signature feature I really love, folks, is the virality scoring system. Each clip gets a score from 0 to 100, predicting how well it'll perform. The automatic clip generation creates 10 to 20 clips per upload, complete with captions, reframing, and edits. It detects key moments and emotional peaks, though accuracy can be inconsistent with multi-speaker videos or complex conversations. And here's something else, guys. For captions, OpusClip offers auto-captioning with over 97% accuracy across 20+ languages. You get customizable templates with different fonts, colors, and animated highlights. It's generally solid but can struggle with proper names, technical terms, or non-standard accents. OpusClip also includes an AI B-roll generator that pulls stock footage from pixels to enhance your clips visually, without hunting for footage yourself. Overall, folks, I would say OpusClip is purpose-built for fast, automated short-form video creation. It simplifies the process for anyone to produce social media clips without deep editing skills. Okay guys, now let me show how it all works from start to finish. Once you sign up, here's what your dashboard looks like. Here, you can find the list of tools they offer, and below you can view all the projects you have created. But what we need right now is right in the middle of the screen. To start working with the tool, you need to upload a long-form video. It can be anything up to 10 megabytes and under 10 hours long. As you can see, you can add your content just by dropping a link, uploading it from your device or from your Google Drive. There's an option to try a sample project right here, but I'll upload my own video. Okay, so let's see what we've got here, guys. This is the AI clipping window, with all kinds of settings you can work with. Here, you can choose the video language and upload subtitles. Below, you can pick a model. As you can see, there are 3 options here. Clip Anything is their newest and smartest model, so let's select that. There's a selection of genres to choose from, and you can also pick your output length. So basically, folks, you can optimize your content for any platform you like. What I find pretty cool is that there's an option to write a prompt about what you want to see in your results. Next up is the Processing Timeframe tool. That lets you trim the beginning and end of your videos if there's something you don't want to show up in your output. And finally, guys, you can choose from a number of quick presets or use your templates if you have any. And at the bottom, there's a very handy option to choose your aspect ratio, which is also great for optimizing your output for different social media platforms. Okay guys, let's pick some options. I'll pick Clip Anything as my model, then choose length. Let's say I want it for YouTube Shorts, so I'll pick the 90 seconds to 3 minutes range. Now I'll type in the prompt. Let's say I wanted to choose faceless moments only, and I'll pick this present and the 9:16 ratio. Done. Now I'll just hit Get Clips in one click, and let's see what happens, folks. The video is processing, and as you can see, the estimated time is 5 minutes, which is pretty decent. Alright, let's see what we got. So from one 10-minute video, I got 5 short clips. You can click any one of them and check this out, guys. Here, you can find scene analysis with time frames, and there's also a transcript-only option. On the right, folks, there are various options too. You can publish your video straight to your social media, export it as an XML file, or download it as an HD video. The tool also allows you to edit your videos, add AI hooks and B-rolls, or change the aspect ratio in case that's what you want. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, my friends, let me show you the features that OpusClip offers. First up, there's an AI captions feature. It allows you to add dynamic, eye-catching subtitles to your content. Everything is pretty simple here. You upload your video, choose the style of captions, aspect ratio, and the translation language if that's what you need. And in just a couple of minutes, you get a great output with neat-looking subtitles. Another great feature is AI B-roll. Again, what you do is upload your video and add some relevant stock footage, or let the AI generate your B-rolls for you. By the way, folks, their stock footage is all royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about those pesky copyright claims. Now let me show you the AI reframe tool, which is great if you want to make sure that the speaker is perfectly in frame, or even split your video into multiple frames. Once you upload your video, you can see various options to adjust your frame just the way you want it, or split it the way you like. And finally, guys, there's an AI voiceover tool. You can add your voice to your video. Just like all tools here, it's super simple to use. All you have to do is upload your video and adjust a few settings. For example, here you can find a nice selection of AI voices, both male and female. Choose a script style and then pick where you want it, at the start as a beginning hook, or in the end as an end-of-video CTA. They will also add the option to use voiceovers on your entire videos soon, so stay tuned, folks. Below, you can also adjust audio volume and add a script for whatever voiceover you need. So, my friends, here's why OpusClip actually matters in the bigger picture of content creation. A few years ago, if you wanted to turn long-form content into polished short clips for social media, you'd need a whole toolkit. You'd use one app for trimming clips, another for adding captions, a third for B-roll footage, maybe a fourth for voiceovers, and then another editing program to piece it all together. It was exhausting, time-consuming, and honestly pretty expensive when you add up all those subscriptions. OpusClip changes that equation completely, guys. Everything you need is in one place. You upload your long video, and the AI handles the heavy lifting of finding the best moments. Then you can add captions right there, drop in B-roll footage without leaving the platform, reframe your video for different aspect ratios, and even add AI voiceovers for hooks or calls to action. All of this happens in the same workspace, without switching between apps or exporting and re-importing files a dozen times. What this really means, folks, is that content creation becomes accessible to more people. You don't need to be a video editor or understand complex software to produce viral-ready clips. Someone running a podcast, a small business owner trying to promote their services, or a creator just starting out can now compete with professional content studios because the technical barriers are gone. The speed factor matters too, guys. When you're not juggling multiple tools, you can go from raw footage to published clips in a fraction of the time. That means you can be more consistent with posting, test more content variations, and respond faster to trending topics. In the social media game, speed often matters as much as quality. OpusClip represents this shift toward all-in-one AI platforms that handle the entire workflow instead of just assisting with one piece of it. Guys, you're not just getting a tool that makes one step easier, you're getting a complete production pipeline that takes you from uploading to published content without leaving the platform. That consolidation is what makes it significant, especially for creators who want to focus on making content rather than becoming experts in video production software. Alright, my friends, so here's my honest takeaway. OpusClip is one of those tools that you don't really appreciate until you actually try it. If you're posting long videos and you want to squeeze more content out of them without spending hours editing, this thing really does make life easier. It picks the best moments, adds captions, helps with B-roll, reframes your clips, and it does all of that in just a few minutes. Is it perfect? Not always. But for the speed and the amount of work it saves, it's honestly hard to beat. If you want to try it for yourself, check the link in the description. You can get 1 week free plus 3 months at 50% off. So give it a go and see how it handles your own videos. And guys, I really want to hear your thoughts too. Have you tried opusclip before? Do you use another clipping tool? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.